I wake up early every morning. She brushes her teeth twice a day. He goes to work by bus. We eat breakfast together. They live in a big house. My parents love to travel. The cat sleeps on the couch. The dog barks at strangers. The sun rises in the east. Birds sing in the trees. I drink coffee in the morning. She takes a shower before bed. He plays the guitar in a band. We watch movies on weekends. They study at the library. The flowers bloom in spring. The baby cries when she's hungry. The teacher explains the lesson. My brother works as a doctor. The car runs on gasoline. I enjoy reading books. She dances ballet. He cooks dinner for his family. We go for a walk in the park. They play soccer on Saturdays. The rain falls from the sky. The wind blows through the trees. The train arrives at 6 p.m. My sister paints beautiful pictures. The children laugh and play. I wear a jacket in the winter. She teaches English at a school. He exercises at the gym. We listen to music in the car. They swim in the pool. The moon shines at night. The stars twinkle in the sky. The computer screen displays information. My friend tells funny jokes. The baby smiles when she sees her mother. I check my email every day. She writes in her journal. He takes the bus to work. We have dinner at a restaurant. They study for exams. The river flows downstream. The waves crash against the shore. The plane takes off from the runway. My parents love each other. The cat chases mice.